So this is the ring of the west side that goes around the center of Krakow, the old town. So it's this big two-way street. I don't want to butcher the name, but it's like Adam Mickiewicz or something like that, very famous writer. So right across there is the old town. There's bars starting up right from there, and they go all the way into the center where all the square is and everything like that. So this is the main street here, and here's another street, Sarnowiska. So this is the corner here where it really starts. There's a bunch of museums down the street here and here, and so I just want to show how central this area is where my Airbnb rental is. So I just want to show the neighborhood a little bit, because you never really get to get an idea of what the area looks like just from the Airbnb listing or the street view or whatever on Google. There's a really nice park right here that goes all the way down. They have vendors like selling all kinds of stuff on the weekends, yoga classes, classes for kids, and it's a really nice scene down here. A lot of people walking around or riding their bikes. So my Airbnb apartment is right behind this main street here, one block behind it, and there's a couple stores out in front, one of which is the supermarket that I went to the other day, that I did the video on the cost of food out here. There's also a really good pizza place bar right on the corner on the second floor up here. I went to the other day. It's really good. It's a lot of students over here. There's a college right over here someplace. So there's a lot of students in this area. So this is the street that I'm on over here, but there's also a cut through in the buildings in front. So I just came out here because I'm leaving today. So I went to this bakery to get some fresh bread for breakfast and just do a quick video of what this area looks like. So here's the really good bakery. There's a guy selling fruits and vegetables out here, a lady actually. Last time was a guy. There's also a pharmacy here, and you see the small supermarket, which is not bad, and that bakery, which is really good. So here's some kind of, I don't know what it is exactly, technology museum or something along those lines. But there's a lot of big buildings here. And coming up is the cut through the building, a little shortcut that I take. By the way, those bikes over there, those are the ones that I rent to just ride around. It's a really good deal. You don't need a bus or a tram or anything if you have that. So real convenient, they're right there. So here's the cut through. And so you go from pretty busy avenue to this quiet street over here. And it looks like there's a lot of new buildings. These two look new. These look new, which is one of the buildings that I'm in. So I don't know how new they are, but they look like probably less than 10 years old. Now you contrast between these old buildings. The facade is really coming down and dirty compared to the ones next door, which I guess they upgraded and redid, which look really nice. So here's the little block I'm on. Like I said, it's very quiet. Not a lot of foot traffic here. There's the building. keypad to get in, and it even has an elevator. Pretty cool. You gotta be careful, some Airbnb apartments, they don't state what floor they're on, and they only have steps. So it's kind of a pretty bad admission if it's really high up and you have a lot of luggage, or you can't really take stairs that well or something like that. So this is a selling point for this building, I would say, is having an elevator. So here comes the elevator now. It's weird because 0 is not the main floor, neither is 1. As you see on the buttons here, main floor is -1. So I'm on the second floor, which is really the third floor. So right now we're on -1, which is the ground floor. So 0, which to me is the first floor, 1 is the second floor, 2 is the third floor, or fourth floor. This is the first floor, second, third, fourth. So I don't know, the way they number this is really strange to me. I don't really get it, but that's how it is. So here's my floor here. This is the studio apartment that I'm renting, Airbnb. It's about $30 a night. I'm renting it for a week, so it was a little less than $210. I think it was like $208 or $205 or something. So, nice sized bathroom. Everything's new. Everything works well. Hot water's good. Good water pressure and everything. Hallway. It's a pretty big closet over here. I don't know why. It's almost the size of another. Could throw a bed in there and call it a 1-bedroom or something. I don't know. So here's the living room. There's a futon over here for the couch. Here is the bed, which the owner really likes pillows because there's a lot of them here. I had to throw some of them in the closet while I was staying here. Now I just threw them back out because I'm leaving today. Small kitchen, but functional. Everything is new. Everything works well. So can't complain there. Like I said, this place is $30 a night. You know, there are apartments out here that rent for $300-400 a month, you know, decent apartments, because the average salary here is, I think it's about $1,200 US dollars a month for the average, which comes out to about $7 an hour if you figure a 40-hour work week, and the minimum wage is $500 a month, which comes out to like $3 an hour. So the average person can't really afford an expensive apartment, so therefore they're not that expensive to rent. Added bonus of this place is the balcony. You can sit out here, have your breakfast, which I'm going to do in a few minutes after I just make this sandwiches with this bread I just made. So here's the view. So that's pretty much the whole apartment, and I'm just going to throw this up on YouTube without editing it because this cheap Dell laptop I have doesn't have enough memory to put on the editing software. It crashes if I try to do that, so I won't be doing much editing while I'm out here in Poland and Russia. So I'll try to throw up videos that I take in one shot, and hopefully they're not too bad, but you know, informative at the same time. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching my video, and check out the new ones coming up soon.